First day running in the full legging long sleeve apparatus. It's really hard to put on chapstick while running, especially with your non-dominant hand. I feel so rushed. Just trying to get out of the house. We're doing 9 miles, Brookline Rail Trail down and back, and I'm hoping that it's not super muddy on the trail. Don't feel amazing, don't feel super high energy, but you know what I just realized? Oh no, I didn't bring any mid-run fuel. That's gonna bite. It's time to zen out, meditate, mentally meditate. That's it, that's a full turnaround. 4.5 one way, 4.5 back. I feel really good. Yeah, I feel really good. I feel like as long as I'm responsible and conservative, I have pretty smooth sailing to the half. I was really feeling down about it. I don't know, what, 2 weeks ago? I just feel like I was back in where I was, you know, 2 years ago or whenever. Not when I just stepped in mud. I just stepped in mud. Man, these are my new shoes. Come on now. I mean, I knew I'd step in mud eventually, but the first rainy run, the first muddy run. All right, let's get it. I'm running too fast. I'm getting myself worked up. I gotta slow down. Nine miles in the bag, I feel good, even without the fuel, the halfway fuel. Sam was like, hey, when you get back from your run, can you get the library books from the car? I know you'll forget. Guess what, Sam? I didn't forget. I'm getting them right now. I know normally I usually forget everything you tell me to do. But you know what? Today I'm remembering. I'm remembering so freaking hard. And what it's looking like to me is that you were so certain that I was gonna forget that you already came out here and got the books. My eyes burn.